Keep the drill bit in place using a wrench to mark the place, and drop a little water to create less dust. Secure wire, making sure it won't break, placing a flat piece of copper around it. Cutting an irregular shape on a tile is not easy. Any small mistake can make the tile unusable. You can create an easy hack to transport the exact shape with cardboard and wooden spikes. A piece of tape keeps the spikes in place while drawing the shape on the tile. Create a quick pipe tie for drywall with an nylon tie and a dowel. You only need a couple of nylon ties to level 2 tiles. With a little pressure, you can turn a piece of rail into a joint. Create a quick outlet on a pipe, screwing a water valve before drilling the opening. You only need 1/2 of a plastic bottle to create a dust collector. A floor scrap that's the same width as the wood flooring can save you time. When cutting a board to finish off the job neatly and quickly, no need for measurements. If it's also the same width as the columns, it can also work around these obstacles. Use this easy knot to prevent wires from loosening. Save time and effort with this quick hack to spread adhesive on tiles with less time and effort. Create curved marks more easily with this hack that only needs a piece of wood and a marker. Don't apply too much pressure, or it could make inaccurate marks. Laser levels can help make any measuring job a lot easier, like in this hack. Leaving some marks on the surrounding tiles. It's easy to mark the exact place of the pipes. And cut a perfect hole without wasting any time or material. Place a piece of a magnet under your gloves band to have many screws at hand while working. A compass with a marker is the perfect tool to follow and mark a circular shape. Create an improvised compass with a saw blade and a spike. Mark the radius and use the nearest tooth to make a perfect circle. These clamps are perfect for carrying heavy blocks around a construction site. They use the weight of the block to clamp around it with a spring. When doing a large tilling job, any help can make a difference and save time. Here, These workers use a grill to make sure they place the tile straight and with the needed space. Here is a useful hack to cut around an outlet without measurements, only using a box cutter. Make sure to apply pressure with a smoothing tool to take out any air bubble. Here is a simple way of cutting a brick mitered pier cap, a variation of the herringbone pattern. A compass with a marker is the perfect tool to follow and mark a circular shape. Instead of gluing the wallpaper in a straight line, cut a wave pattern with a sharp knife. The joint is invisible, and the finished job looks much more professional. A small blade on your tape measure cuts curves in your walls in seconds. Pressing a button, this pair of clamps turn outwards to secure any job while drying. To prevent water from leaking through the joint and affecting the structure, this worker is placing a tin reinforcement using a gauge nibbler, adhesive, and bolts. A thick sponge under it molds to the roof underneath and prevents water and dampness from leaking. Easily mix mud for any job turning and twisting a garbage bag until all the water has been absorbed. To make sure you use all the material in a bucket, cut the tool to its shape. Remember to treat the edge, or it could damage the bucket interior and mix plastic with the material. It's easy to make a mistake when taking measurements. It's much efficient to create a stencil and use it to cut the material into the exact needed shape. It takes up less time, and you only need a lighter material for the stencil. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.